Let me check if the stream
Should
is
be on. I heard the lady, the AI
yeah.
said live streaming is on.
Notification. Yeah, is on.
Yeah.
We're on live stream. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Good morning,
Hi.
Ethan.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you again. Today is 7/7. It's 7th of July. Yes. And BTC price has gave quite a number of people some happy moments and perhaps uh, heart attack or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's just a small one. It went down to 54,000 over the last 1 week, somewhere in the middle of the week or something. And
Yeah.
then now
Last
it,
week, look like the sell off. Yeah. A lot of people hope so many people can buy the dip when the price go uh, below 53,000, 54,000. Yeah.
yeah,
So I hope some people can buy when the should go deep, but a lot of people asking what happening, why the price going down, and will it go down again in the future? Yeah, so let go more detail some of the news and information. Yeah, um, here's just in case we missed the news last week. Um, um, we uh, we see the Ethereum will go to the ETF launch in this month. Yeah, and Ethereum ETF approved soon by the Galaxy, and some of the news like the Nigerian trader reclaim the confidence in crypto, and the the biggest one is Mount Gox. Mount Gox by the deep, and the German government sell some of the Bitcoin. Yeah. um, and 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 more we also see uh, when the Bitcoin is going down, just in Sun negotiate to buy the when the BTC sell off from the government, he sent a tweet to negotiate to buy the Bitcoin to um, that's been to make the market calm, not go down so much. Yeah, we also see El Salvador buying the Bitcoin dip. Yeah, yeah. And here's the information confirmed where from the Mount Gox has start buying the BTC and BCS when the uh, this case is 10 years ago, but every year they say that they need to pay for the customer the debt, but people know that when they pay the customer the debt, the price going down so much. This confirmed on September, on July. The Mount Gox will pay, confirm they will pay, because last a few years ago they just say they will pay, but they delay. It make the market go together with their information. Yeah. So now it's confirmed. So we will see the last ban. It means when they pay to the customer, of course the price will go down, and it will go down this time only. Last year when they released the news, the markets also go down, and we we feel that oh, it um, look like the thing look like the first news they want to dump the price so they can buy with the dip. So this time just dump the price of the BTC and Bitcoin one time only. Yeah. So that's why after they pay off to the customer, the price go down last week. But this week the price look like recover. So let's see the charts for the last week. Um, beginning of the beginning of the week we have the live stream. The price of the BTC is around
Yes.
60,000. Yeah. And after that it's go up uh, to 60, 60, 63 and 64. And then we see the news, the German government and Mt. Gox, they move the BTC. Yeah, because why people were asking why we know the BTC moving. Yeah, based on some of the Watch tool. Watch tool is a tool um, on the blockchains. We see the data, all the data of Bitcoin. Yeah, we see they have moved 47,000 BTC, nearly around 2.71 billion dollars. Yeah, is moving. Yeah, that's why people say when people see they moving their Bitcoin, they know that they are selling the Bitcoin. So we see the Bitcoin go down to the dip around 53,000. Yeah. Now it's recovered, it climbed to 58,000. Yeah. Um, it's a good signal when we see that, and we hope next week the price of the Bitcoin will go back to 64 and it will go take the new ATS again. Yeah. Um, and now let's see, Mr. Nicholas. Do you have any comment in this situation? And then um, let's see.
Right.
Yeah,
This price movement over the events that relating to Mt. Gox, repaying debt and all. So as a user, as investor, mass market investor, that it's good that we know, we take good note of all these trends, so that in future there are some big events or maybe some big move from this kind of companies or this kind of organization relating to BTC transfers and all. We will then be able to expect, okay, maybe perhaps this one, this particular person or this particular move could be similar to what Mt. Gox has done before. So and then we can expect perhaps the price may have a dip, and we can maybe wait and see. Yeah.
yeah,
So of course, at the same time, we not forgetting the fear and greed index and all. So
yeah,
we look at all these market sentiments, the greed markers and all. So we'll be able to make a better judgment in order for us not to fall into pit holes where all of a sudden we don't know why we lost some money. So we want our listeners to be able to catch all these signals through the past events, like what happened in the last 1 week, and then we will be able to prepare ourselves in future, since we are all hoping that BTC would hit 100,000 somewhere in the future. But of course, it's not going to move in a straight line. It's just going to move up and down, up and down, up and down. There will always be various kind of information out in the market that could affect the price of BTC. Of course, when it affect the price of BTC, just like this time, it's from like what 62,000 to 50 plus thousand, then to 54, and then now back to 58. So it's this kind of price movement can be quite can, can be quite a lot in the future as well,
yeah.
Mr. Richard.
Yeah, and we see if the price is have the correction like this, we will hope that the more is have the correction and it's recovered within 1 week. Yeah.
Yes.
It shows the market is stronger, the holder is stronger to hold more and more Bitcoin, and they know of course they know they go together with the market, and they know how the price will go. So that when I see in the charts of the Bitcoin ETF inflow last amount on the 5th of July. Um, Bitcoin ETF inflow is 143 million. Yeah, it's a good signal to see that here inflow to US spot Bitcoin ETF by 143 million as the investors buy the dip. Yeah. If we compare when the Bitcoin ETF previously we see 143 million is the last amount of the buying, and now we see which company people say that the R R ARKB is also buying. We see it's buying 11 million. Yeah. And the lead is Bitwise. Yeah, FBTC is belong to Bitwise. Maybe FBTC. Yeah, yeah. Fidelity wise, Fidelity is Bitcoin ETF trust fund. Yeah, buying last amount is 117 million. Yeah. It's also a good signal when we see the price of the Bitcoins recover. Also, is also from the US spot Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, and and okay, let's go to Hong Kong. Mr. Nicholas slides. He
Okay.
represents.
This is some minor updates in what's happening in the CBDC world, central bank digital currency. Yeah. So in a world of crypto, things are happening like what we covered earlier. But in the world of CBDC, there are also some very interesting things. I mean, they are like in an early stage. So country governments are trying to do a lot of things with cross-border payment and all. Yeah, so France and Hong Kong started to collaborate on CBDC, right? So Hong Kong is like the only non-European, whatever, non-European institution to be part of their this project. Yeah. So the focus is on a real time border and cross currency payments. So this is slightly different from the M-Bridge that Hong Kong is part of. This is totally different. This is basically different. Yeah. So their collaboration, they come together also to explore how to optimize settlement efficiency of a cross-border transaction. So between countries, there will always be trades and transactions that will be done in either of their currency. Since now that a lot of countries are telling one another, oh, let's not do in let's do in digital currency.
Yeah,
Let's try to advance faster, you know,
yeah,
so that we won't lag behind time and say, oh, we are only going to use cash, you know. Yeah. So because transferring money digitally, it's just a matter of maybe a few seconds or something. Yeah.
yeah.
So
That's right.
so these are very essential for economies, for country governments, for central banks to make sure that things get settled quickly and more accurately. And of course, they will cut off the potential middleman. They'll cut off the potential corruption that would happen in the middle, somewhere along the way. You know? Yeah. So this will also help to protect the assets clearly as well. Yeah. So of course, they said that they are going to explore different cross-border payment solutions, not just this one or two, and also different use cases, and not just transferring money here and there, but probably other use cases as well. Yeah,
yeah,
of course. Most importantly, to promote financial market connectivity and push forward the development of a global tokenization market.
yeah,
So tokenization is a very interesting word that came out quite a number of years ago, where a lot of people are trying to grasp, well, what is this tokenization of this item, tokenization of that item. So are we going to tokenize everything? you know but the thing is that when it comes to digital currency, uh, uh, it can only be something that help to promote speed and quality of transaction. That's it. Yeah. So and that's what you and I probably need more than just carrying a whole lot of cash everywhere. Yeah.
yeah.
So Mr. Richard, what do you think of this?
Yeah, it's a good signal. It's good information when I see um, another two entity try
Yeah.
to collaborate using the CBDC, and in the near future, maybe more and more government entity they will apply CBDC and other in crypto. At this moment, I think CBDC is a good trial. The good trial for them to apply before they switch to the crypto. Um,
Yeah.
Nowadays, when the inflation appear happening a lot, so they may thinking another asset, and the way to let the people in some area thinking that, oh, they need to switch in something that very convenient. Like nowadays, if you go outside, you can make a payment from the digital wallet. I I
Yeah.
said the digital wallet, not a crypto wallet. That means we use the bank app to make a payment, or we use the card. No cash nowadays. Um,
Yeah.
yeah,
I,
that's
I,
it.
yeah, I think it helps people if they are traveling overseas,
Yeah,
or maybe travel to a place where it's difficult to get to. Then one fine day they kind of like, oh, I run out of cash right now. What do I do? So
yeah,
how about let's use digital currency?
yeah.
You have
Because
your
I
mobile
know we
device.
have the Visa and
Yeah,
Mastercard. Yeah,
yeah, you have your mobile device. You don't need to bring anything else. As long as you got enough battery power, you can
yeah,
survive the day or the week or the month even. Yeah.
yeah. That's right. That's why people now go to cardless, and they will rely on the internet, and they will rely on digital thing, the digital version of the cash, and then they just carry on with this. And I think in the next few years, 5 to 10 years, people will hear more about the crypto, Bitcoin, and 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 we go outside we easily to talk about the the tokenize and some of the crypto project, and we at this moment we also can try some of the crypto game to earn some of the token. Yeah, it's also fun, and it's uh, um, this moment it look like um, uh, it look like the early the early bird catch the worm. Yeah, it look like this because when when the price is going down, it's a chance for us now. And of course, when the price go down, not so many news and less of news about this. Yeah, that's why it's hard for us to collect to find some good news. some news that make that explain why the markets go down. What's happening when the markets go down, and what will be in the near future. That's why last week, um, when the Germany government sell off the Bitcoin, and some of the news today, we found that the German MB call to hold the Bitcoin sell off now. The reason why, because when the government the German government sell off the Bitcoin, the price go down, so that they lost the profits. Yeah, um, that's why uh, the German government, they don't know. They just send the last amount of the Bitcoin go to the exchange, um, and the people, the watchstone on the blockchain see that, oh, they are going to sell off, so the price go down. That is the reason why now they they are smarter. They send the last amount of the Bitcoin go to the OTC exchange. Yeah, wisely, because in the the OTC exchange, uh, they don't sell off the last amount at one time. They just do a little bit, and control the price of the Bitcoin. Yeah. So the last week, we also see the news about the Bitcoin sell off, and we see the Justin offer to buy the amount that amount, and Justin had the this. Let me copy the image of the this from Justin. Yeah, let me get slide. Yeah, he said that he willing to negotiate to buy the last amount uh, of the sell of Bitcoin. Yeah, that's the information is good when we see the last well willing to 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 take over the deep market. Yeah, they are very smart to know that. And this news about the effect of the government Bitcoin sell-off across the as accelerated. Yeah, it's not it's not a big deal. This
Mm.
information, it's not a big deal to see that. Um, Let me go for detail of this.
I think whenever they exaggerate things, they are making people start to fear, and then perhaps people might buy the exaggeration, and then they start to sell, and then the price go further down.
Yeah, that's right. It's correct. It looks like they want to shake the tree and let the people
Yeah,
drop the coin, and then um, then they can take over some of um, the good price. Yeah, look like in this um, 2023, 224 billion had flow into the market. Yeah, and the government side, BTC contributes about 9 billion of the real-life cap. That means the price at that moment, and only 4% of the total cumulative realized value since 2023. Don't let the government selling the first ruin your trade. Yeah,
yes.
this information come from Kyong Yu. May next one is we see that the writer Young Yu say he believes the Bitcoin bull circle will continue until early next year. Yeah, and at this moment, in the worst case, the BTC could drop to the 47,000. Yeah, but now we see the price rebound to 58,000. Yeah, 58,000. I also try to see to set the price if the price is go to 47,000, but it cannot reach the 49,000. Yeah, over 1 month. He also say again over one past month, I have indirectly won against the excessiveness. Some people still open the high leverage long position. Yeah. So we see some of the data, the information that people set the long position to uh, to dump the price. Yeah, but unluckily the price go down, and we also see the signal. This signal look like the signal bull or bull and bear. We see the bear is one, the bull is three. Yeah, we also net movement. Yeah, this information is not it can attract us much. Yeah, but the data from the writer say that the effect of the government because sell up is not much. It look like, but the Mount Gox sell the BTC at this time to make the BTC go down. Yeah, it's yeah, now it's recover. Yeah, it's a good time, and we also hope it's go back to 60,000 soon next week, and the end of this month. Of course, the price of BTC will have the green color soon. Yeah, and at the time, all the altcoin, all the crypto recover. Yeah, it's a it's a good color when I see it compared with the
Yes.
one one day. Yeah, if you hold some of the coin have the very green color here, yeah, it's a good change, good signal, but it's still not enough. Yeah, because I see the ETS, I remember it's around 3,008, now it's only 3,000. Yeah. A few days ago, it's less than 3,000. Yeah.
Mm.
And some altcoin, I hope the altcoin will, uh, when they recover, they will recover faster than Bitcoin. But everything is below ev- every, everything is depend on the BTC because if the BTC go down, all the altcoin will make sure go down. Most of the altcoin go down if the BTC go down. So if you are the holder, yeah, remember to hold the last sum of the amount of the BTC and ETS because when the market go down, BTC, ETS are in the top three they can hold the price is better than the altcoin. Yeah. Um, so the investment strategies also depend on you, not from any advisor. Yeah. So I hope you have a good day with the trade with the trading good Sunday resting. Yeah. Um, we also think it's also time for us to complete the live stream this morning, early morning. Yeah. I I feel that some part of the world still have the football fever. So so I also think our live stream is not much um, of this live people seeing now, but it's information for us to collect and learn the market slowly. Yeah. Um, See you in our next live stream, Mr. Nicholas.
All right. See you in our next live stream. We hope you earn some money. Do your own due diligence. There are so many information out there that so much information out there that it could help you and help everyone else. All right. So take